Hi guys, welcome to Manware Education. In this video, I will discuss about IPMAT and BBA entrance examination preparation for 2022 and 23. In this video, I will going to give you 10 pointers which are very important for your BBA entrance examination preparation, and I will also discuss about goal setting of yours. Okay, so if you are in 12th standard, then you will give your BBA entrance examination in 2022. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, SET, Christ University, St. Xavier's and other BBA entrance examination for year 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manwareedu.com/BBA entrance. Now let us discuss guys important things to do for exam preparation. Okay, so very first in this exam syllabus. Okay, so you need to understand very well exam syllabus, whether it is SET, NPAT, Christ University, Xavier's, IPMAT, Indore और JIPMAT. So ये सारे एग्जाम का सिलेबस आपको बहुत अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करना है because every exam has different need. Okay, so in these exams what to study and what not to study you should know. So that is why understanding of the syllabus is very important. After this, एग्जाम पेपर पैटर्न. एग्जाम का क्या पेपर पैटर्न है, कौन सा सेक्शन कितने मार्क्स कैरी करेगा, इंटरव्यू है या नहीं है, दीज ऑल थिंग्स यू नीड टू नो. आफ्टर दिस, पास्ट ईयर पेपर एनालिसिस. यस, with the past year paper analysis you will come to know about what is the trend of examination, okay, and which topic you should focus more and which topic you should focus less, and probable questions जहाँ से आ रहे हैं वो सब आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता चलेगा with the past year paper analysis. After this, interview preparation, like I am Indore, I am Rohtak, okay, and SET General is also have interview. So कौन कौन सा एग्जाम में इंटरव्यू आपको प्रिपेयर करना है एंड क्वेश्चंस प्रोबेबल क्या होंगे इंटरव्यू में, यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. सो हम लोग टॉपर्स का पॉडकास्ट ले रहे हैं जिसमें वी आस्क अबाउट हाउ यू हैव क्लियर योर इंटरव्यू, व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस दे हैव आस्क इन द इंटरव्यू. सो यू कैन वॉच दैट पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो एंड यू विल गेट अ हेल्प फ्रॉम दैट पॉडकास्ट. ओके, आफ्टर दिस अंडरस्टैंड द डिमांड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. इन दिस आपको ये देखना है कि कौन से एग्जाम में कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं और कौन सा ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली है, लाइक जीके कहाँ से पूछा जा रहा है, मैथ्स का क्या वेटेज है. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड दिस विल कम विद द पास्ट ईयर पेपर एनालिसिस. ओके, आफ्टर दिस, डेली वर्क फॉर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. टू थिंग्स यू नीड टू स्टडी, जीके दैट इज करंट अफेयर्स आपको पढ़ना है एंड न्यूज़ पेपर रीडिंग. ओके, सो दीज थिंग्स यू नीड टू डू. आफ्टर दिस, नो इंट्यूशन. आपको कोई भी गेस वर्क नहीं करना है, तुक्का नहीं लगाना है, मटका नहीं मारना है. यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर वेल. सो तुक्का और मटका लगाने का कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं रखना है आपको, बिकॉज इट मे फेच यू नेगेटिव मार्किंग ऑल्सो इन द एग्जामिनेशन. एंड इंट्यूशन का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, अगर आप कोई क्वेश्चन में श्योर नहीं हो और आप अपना उसमें दिमाग लगा रहे हो तुक्का लगाने के लिए, सो एक तो अगर वो रॉन्ग हुआ तो आपको मार्क्स जाएगा, दूसरा यू विल बी वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. सो यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर वेल टू अवॉइड इंट्यूशन. तुक्का लगाने का अवॉइड आपको करना है. आफ्टर दिस, you need to give mock test. With the mock test you will come to know about what are the stronger section of yours, what are the weaker section of yours. You will learn about time management, you will learn about paper pattern, you will be confident about the examination. After this, SWOT analysis. Yes, in BBA you will be learning about SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So you need to do SWOT analysis of yours. So what are the strong section of yours, what are the weak section of yours, what are the opportunities to you and what are the threats to you. So these all analysis it should be done by you only. Now next is positive attitude for exam preparation. Yes, you need to have positive attitude for exam preparation because many of the time अगर आप 12th में हैं देन यू फील बोर्ड एग्जाम का प्रेशर है, सो एग्ज़ाम छोड़ देते हैं, यू फील लो, यू फील डीमोटिवेटेड. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू शुड हैव पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. टू वी एट मैनवर वी प्रोवाइड मेंटरशिप, सो यू कैन टॉक टू योर मेंटर. मेंटर विल हेल्प यू, mentor will guide you, mentor will motivate you for the exam preparation, and with these all things you can get the success. Now guys, let us discuss about goal setting. So these are the institute. I am Indore, I am Rohtak, I am Jammu, Symbiosis, Christ University, NMIMS, and many more institutes are there, like St. Xavier's is there, Delhi University is also there. So you need to visualize in your dream, और जब जहाँ पे भी आप पढ़ते हो तो वहाँ पे जो इंस्टीट्यूट में आपको जाना है वहाँ का इस इंस्टीट्यूट का प्रिंट लेके आप चिपका दो, दैट this is your ultimate goal and you need to get admission in this institute. So that should be your clear cut goal. आपको आपका goal सामने दिखना चाहिए. With that you will get the success. Now guys, let me guide you where you will get all the study material. So this is our website, manoeuvreedu.com. Just click on buy online, click on BBA entrance. So this is the window, okay, for BBA entrance. So in this you will get full course, books, study material, mock test, sectional course, okay. Just click on full course, show packages. So in this just scroll down and over here IPM and BBA entrance for 2022. So this program we have launched for IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, SET, Christ University entrance test, DUJAT, Xavier's and other BBA entrance examination. So if you are in 12th standard, you can start your preparation from now onwards. And we have separate programs for NMIMS, NPAT for 2022. So in this you will get video lectures, mock test and handouts. And if you want to prepare for Christ University in the year 2022, so we have video lectures, mock test and handouts for Christ University entrance test also. If you want to prepare for SET General in the year 2022, so we have online program for SET General also. In this you will get video lectures, mock test plus handouts. And we have also launched the IPM and BBA entrance examination for year 2023 also. So in this online program you can prepare for IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, SET, Christ University, DUJAT and St. Xavier's other entrance examination. If you want to prepare for TISBAT, so we have launched the program for TISBAT also for year 2022. So all the courses of BBA entrance you can get it from us, okay. After this, if you want to study from books, okay, so we have books and study material also. Just click on show packages. All BBA entrance set of 5 books will be there. And if you want to prepare from ebooks, so we have ebook facility also. So in this IPN and BBA entrance, ebooks will be there, okay. And if you are thinking that if you are lacking in a particular section, then we have sectional course also. Just click on sectional course, show packages, and this kind of a page will open. So we have sectional course for IPM and BBA 2022 for logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude test, GK and current affairs, okay. After that, critical and verbal reasoning, DIDS and DC, okay. For all the BBA entrance examination we have all the courses, you can get it from us. So that's all guys in this video. If you want to prepare for IPM and BBA entrance for year 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for BBA entrance examination. You can subscribe to this channel also. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. Thank you.